Here you go.
Here they go, Matthew.
Not yet. Stop it. Not yet.
Really?
Now it is.
Is it time yet?
I was gonna say.
Maybe.
Still.
Wow.
Still not yet.
Yeah, probably just like a warm-up.
It's still not yet. Wow, that's
Probably
funny.
just like a warm-up.
That is funny. That's just kind of surprising. That's the net.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh,
Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah.
Ooh, ah, ooh, ah.
these ones are insane.
Ah.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. Those are the ones that I think are allowed.
He doesn't look like he's
Woo!
Break through you.
Woo!
That's why I gave him the headphones.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially those.
Yeah, 'cause those are the...
Oh yeah.
Oh my
Here we
god.
go.
Oh, here we are.
His eyes are blue.
Oh, is that it?
No.
I was gonna say, that wasn't it.
America, fuck yeah!
Shut up.
Americans!
Oh my god, we didn't say that.
I did.
Weirdo.
This is our day.
I know, right? You need to stop.
This is why I said no more drink.
That's
I keep thinking that's it, but it's not.
You'll know. Be all at the same time.
Yeah, it's all just non-stop.
You'll hear the boom, 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 boom.
By the way, buddy, he's so scared. Turn your head.
They have the square ones and all the different shapes.
Is he okay?
Those are cool. I've never, the first time, I've never seen that.
Yeah, you want him to see the finale.
Yeah, he has seen finale. Like, come on.
Oh, so
Tyler, what do you think?
It's awesome.
Pretty awesome, huh? After that first one.
Remember the fireworks on New Year's Eve, Mike? You take
yeah.
us, we're all bundled up.
If you want to take the headphones off,
Hold
take them
on.
off.
Yeah.
Take-
Going.
no,
No,
take them off.
no.
Oh crap, guys.
We didn't take them off.
There we go.
That's it.
That wasn't it, really?
No.
Bro,
You gotta be
nobody's
kidding
moving.
me.
Round
We
two.
thought it was done.
It was like a warm-up round finale.
Like, come on. That wasn't the grand finale? That's crazy. Is that it now?
No, that was just
Yeah,
the
they
Freedom
got me.
Barrage. That's all.
They call that a tease.
Yeah.
That tease, huh?
Damn good. Bonnie?
Yeah, it's
Okay,
awesome.
all over. Let's go home.
No. Hold on.
There's no way it's over.
That's it.
Maybe it was. Maybe it was express leftovers.